have you take a deep breath in and out. I think everyone should have a primary care doctor because you want to think of them like the quarterback in terms of your medical care. We coordinate medical care in terms of directing you whether or not you need a specialist. We also help you navigate the healthcare system. In addition to seeing acute issues, we also do keep you up to date on your screenings and health maintenance, which varies as you get older or even in a younger population.
Your main thing is you want to find somebody that you're comfortable talking to, because as a patient, you want to have complete trust in your primary care doctor because you're going to talk to them about a lot of personal things, medical issues, psychological issues, family issues. Those are all things that I talk about with my patients every day.
So actually, lower medical costs are associated with somebody who sees a primary care doctor on a regular basis. And intuitively, you think that it's the opposite. The more you see the doctor, the more you'll pay. But actually, the more that you can catch disease before you know that it's there or have the warning signs. Somebody who knows you well enough to be able to ask the right questions whenever you come in with an issue. And also, we have studies that show that individuals overall who have a primary care doctor are more satisfied with their health care than those who don't have a primary care doctor.
So there are a couple of factors you want to take into consideration when choosing a primary care doctor. First, I think the one that's most important is location. You want a primary care doctor who's easily accessible to you, within maybe 20 minutes of where you're living. This not only gives you timely medical care, but it also reduces visits to the emergency room. Also, I think you need to check with your insurance, which is a big thing. You want to know whether or not your medical care is being covered by that primary care office.
You want to have somebody that you can call when you need a doctor, when you're sick, and that's the primary care physician serves that role.
It's also beneficial that when you are sick, if you have a primary care doctor that you have an established relationship with, you've already done the medical history, they know your allergies, they know your surgeries. You don't have to go through all of that again if you have to visit an urgent care or an ER every time. You can go ahead and skip to what brought you in.